Hello guys, and welcome back to Naija News. Ultimate Love Arnold melts heart as he pens emotional love letter to Bolanle. Ultimate Love star Henry Arnold has penned down an emotional love letter to his heartthrob Bolanle, which has melted the hearts of their fans. Ultimate Love Arnold and Bolanle met at the just concluded show, Ultimate Love reality show, and were known by the couple name Bola. They were one of the top 5 finalists of the show and emerged as the second runner-up behind Akrisa and eventual winners Roxy. Since the end of the show, Arnold and Bolanle have been spending more time with each other trying to nurture their love and haven't stopped updating their fans at how well they are doing together. I must confess they have really gone a long way since leaving the love part, as most viewers of the show thought they would go their separate ways after the show because they were not blending together. So a few hours ago, Arnold took to his official Instagram page to share a very cute photo of Bolanle looking dazzling with the caption, "Letter to Queen B." Along with this photo was a heart-melting love letter to Ultimate Love star Bolanle, which reads, "Letter to Queen B. The biggest reward of my day is seeing the smile on your face when you see me. Not only is that the biggest accomplishment of my day, but it is also the most important thing because it shows you love me and I love you too. There is this piece of my heart that when the issue of war distracts you, when I am not around you, it makes me realize just how hot and lost I would be without you by my side. If I was to describe to you exactly why I love you, it would be just like me trying to tell you how water tastes. Indescribable. My heart skips a beat, my love starts chumming, my body does the silent dance, my mind spins around and round, my smile spreads from ear to ear, all because you are near. Don't give the world the chance to weigh how I feel about you. They will mislead you so that they can take your trophy. You remain my Timmy. Hashtag Bola, hashtag Arnold, hashtag you know what I mean. Okay guys, this is lovely message Arnold sent to Bolanle. This lovely letter melted Bolanle's heart, who responded with love emojis. I'm sure we are all happy for Ultimate Love Bola. Let's continue to wish them well. Okay guys, what are your thoughts? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.